brushing them up in the direction that it go. And then I'll be using a Wet n Wild black pencil to do my eyebrows today. I'm going to use the 24-Hour Kiss Darkest Brown Luxury Eyeliner. It's 24-hour wear. And I'm going to take this pencil and I'm going to shade the front of my brows with that. If we're okay, babe, all I want to ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? I wanna be Babe, I want your love, your love. I'll be the one you trust. The Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay 332 Golden Caramel. I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Up this house there ain't no one else. And blend it in with my skin like so. Look how pretty that look, y'all. Pretty. Brows on fleek. I'm going to take my brush and then I'm going to blend this out like so. Because we don't want no square brows, y'all. We do not want no square brows. Blend it out. And make it look natural. So that's it for the brows, y'all. Now we're going to go on to our eyeshadows. I'm going to use my Makeup by Yolondo eyeshadow foundation base to put on my eyes.
Baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you. I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you. I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? wanna be your bride. Wanna